New Caledonia, located in Oceania, is a special collectivity of France, situated northeast of Australia. Covering an area of approximately 18,576 square kilometers, it boasts rich natural resources, including stunning coral reefs and pristine rainforests. With a population of around 270,000, the diverse cultural landscape is primarily composed of French and Kanak ethnic groups. Renowned for its cultural diversity, breathtaking landscapes, and unique ecology, New Caledonia attracts adventurers and nature enthusiasts alike. This tranquil and mysterious land not only highlights the charm of France's overseas territories but also stands as a dream destination for nature lovers.